In this lesson, we will see together le conditionnel présent, but more precisely when it is used to express a slight difference from the indicative. So let's have a look, because yes, it is possible to use le conditionnel présent, and by using it, of course, you will express a slight difference from the indicative. We're talking about the futur simple and not about the other tenses, obviously. So let's look at the first sentence. Je pense qu'elle acceptera ta proposition. Je pense qu'elle acceptera ta proposition. And then the second one. Je pense qu'elle accepterait ta proposition. Je pense qu'elle accepterait ta proposition. So you can see that clearly in the first one, it's the verb accepter in the futur simple, so the indicative. And then in the second one, it's accepter in the conditionnel présent. And if you look carefully, in fact, the difference will be quite slight. It's not that big because by definition here, we're using the futur simple and the future is unknown, so it's not really sure. But still, it will be a bit more certain than this one. So the conditionnel présent will be less certain than the futur simple. À mon avis, il pourra t'aider. À mon avis, il pourra t'aider. À mon avis, il pourrait t'aider. À mon avis, il pourrait t'aider. So in that situation, we have the verb pouvoir here, futur simple, il pourra, and then conditionnel présent, il pourrait. But it will be exactly the same situation as we had previously, so a slight difference between the two. Of course, the futur simple is a bit more certain, but let's agree that it's the future, so we don't really know what will happen. But still, pourra will be a bit more certain in that case than à mon avis, il pourrait t'aider. Je peux te recommander un ouvrier qui pourra t'aider. Je peux te recommander un ouvrier qui pourra t'aider. Je peux te recommander un ouvrier qui pourrait t'aider. Je peux te recommander un ouvrier qui pourrait t'aider. Exactly the same situation here. It's the verb pouvoir, and then the futur simple, it introduce a bit more certainty than le conditionnel présent here. C'est une femme qui viendra travailler pour moi. C'est une femme qui viendra travailler pour moi. C'est une femme qui viendrait travailler pour moi. C'est une femme qui viendrait travailler pour moi. So the same situation, we're talking about the verb venir in that case, and if you look carefully at these two sentences, well, you can feel that the first one is a bit more certain, and the second one, it's the conditionnel, so we're not really sure about it, but it would be possible.